Meera.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
Good
good
morning.
evening.
Good evening, everybody.
Good
This is
evening.
to
Good
a gift.
evening.
Hi. So today is 6th June. So 6 6, and we are here at 6 o'clock. And from Bombay we have Geeta. I should say Mumbai, right? That's
Yes.
technically
Mumbai.
correct. Mumbai. Geeta and Anita from Dubai. I'm in
Dubai, yeah.
Dubai as well. And hey, it's great to meet like this.
Like, seriously, like we should be doing this very often, I guess. We get to meet Geeta
Yes.
also.
I hope that in a bit some of our friends of Sewer Gift will join us, and you're all encouraged to please post comments out here for us. Let me say that today we decided to talk about sports and the gifts that we made around sports. And that's why our title actually for the live was also Be a Sport. Yeah. And we are going to discuss all the various things which we made. What was the theme behind? What was the reason? What went into the making of that? And let us start now today first with Geeta. Geeta, if you give me a few seconds, I'm going to share my screen with you and the small presentation that we have. So let me just quickly go through that. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So the partners in creativity, I learned how to do Canva. Okay. All right. And Sewer Gift, personalized and customized. And why are we called partners in creativity? Because we didn't want to call ourselves partners in crime. So we're partners in creativity. Anita, Geeta, and Shambhavi. Geeta, take it on. Go ahead and talk about this tic-tac-toe, which is an indoor game. But let's talk about this for a few seconds.
Yeah. One of my friend Vidya have wanted me to make a gift for her friend's husband, and he was retiring, it was his birthday, so we wanted to give him something special. And we try to find out what are the things that he likes and what he is. So we came to know that he's a civil engineer, and he had few grandchildren as well. He loved to travel, and he likes to drive. So we thought, let's make something using all these points. And then we came up with this yellow color hat, which the engineers usually use. And then that's the house that you can see. Then we came up with this game. You can see the tic tac toe using all these houses. You can see those pathways. It is not very clear. It's the rugged way, because the civil engineer once the first time when he goes, the way is not cleared. So that is why it is shown that way. And we can actually move out those houses, and children can play. So when they are in the car moving with their grandfather, they can play tic tac toe in the car. So this was the thought that came across, and they all liked it so very much.
Yes. So we also had this, that because civil engineer, there are so many stories which go into the houses. We had hoped that he would share those stories with his grandchildren as whenever they played the game, and it would be time for more bonding. And I must say that this was a group gift, and it was well appreciated by the person who received it as well as the people who gave it. And this was one of our first projects that we worked on. So coming back to this, that we always try to understand what are the hobbies of the person who's going to receive this, and what is it which would be important to them and be more significant than just a gift. Now I want to talk about this, and it's, I think, Anita who's going to tell me
Yes.
about. Wait a minute.
This
Yeah, Anita. Yeah, so it takes a few seconds, Anita, for you to be able to actually see it. Yeah, go ahead
Sure.
now. Please tell us about it.
Jayashree wanted us to make a gift. It was a birthday gift, and both husband and wife play chess. So we thought, why not? Like, the king and the queen has to be on the reading pillow. So then we came out with different fabrics. Then we tried to incorporate the check, the black and white somewhere, but they liked the chevron. So we were like, where are we going to add that? Put up a border for the pocket, and then said, long live the king and queen, definitely any day the most powerful. So that's how we came up with this, and you can all see the comments that Jayashree has put in there for us. Like, I think they were really happy receiving it. So that's
Right.
the story behind.
Right. And I should say this, that Jayashree is a chess coach as well. And when you study consumer behavior and you study gifting patterns, you see that most of the time we think about the people who we are going to give the gift to, and it's a little rare that we gift ourselves some things. But this was one thing which she wanted for her birthday, and she treated herself, which was so nice, because she chose the designs and she went through the whole process of what she wanted, including the font, which you can see on the, including the font. So like I said, gifting is something, depends on who you're going to and how much impact you want to make. And we help make that impact even within a small budget. So it is not really necessary. And as we go through some of our more of our products today and what we have done today with the different items, I think our audience who may or may not be live will get an opportunity to see it more and understand us better. So, yeah, sorry, you were saying something?
Yeah, I remember this Harry Potter. It was really very, very nice, and I really loved it.
Anita, you take.
Yes, Geeta Krishnan from Abu Dhabi, she wanted something for her son, like he was graduating. So you can see the tassel. And he was a big Harry Potter fan, also a Star Wars fan. So we were looking at what, so Harry Potter suited better. Then he was a super gamer, that's what she told us. So then again, like gaming, what are we going to add for gaming? Like, computer, keyboard. Then all this came up, and then we always had Shambhavi to give us the best of the ideas. So then we had this hand with the shift and space bar, and then Geeta clearly mentioned like no colors. He's a black, white, and gray guy. So it was easy to choose these checks, the white and the black, and I think everything fell into place very clearly. But I think even the tassel, like there was some color specification, I think, according to the university that he was going to. So which is like we made sure that all that color combinations were all right there.
Yeah. So unfortunately, in this picture which I have taken, the all in the game is lost there somewhere, but it was there. And these wordings, the tassel is worth the hassle, was specially requested by the parents, Geeta and Krishnan. They specially requested us these. And as you can see, what the comment which she has written about it, and she was so happy because she was able to give her son something which both the couple had decided on together, and something which will always remind him of their presence wherever they are, and their blessings. So that was nice. That was a nice touch to the overall the pillow as such. And it's a reading pillow. So maybe you want to just say for a minute, what is a reading pillow, Anita?
A reading pillow is a normal cushion with a pocket. So ideally kept either in your sofa, in your couch, or on your bedside, on your bed itself, because most of them have a habit of reading, and you don't know, like, where you're going to keep your book, the table or the coffee table or the side table. So when you have a pillow with a pouch already there, so it's just that you put your book inside the pocket, and it's like, handy all the time, like in the night when you're going to sleep, read and keep it back, especially for kids, I would say. Even for adults, like, I think all of us are into this habit of reading before bedtime, and it's a ideal gift, and for us, and it gives us enough space to show our creativity in that 10 by 16 space is like
True, very true. So Geeta, thank you for reminding me. I'm just on to the next one.
Yeah, the gym.
The gym.
Yes.
I was just
Geeta,
thinking about the gym and the heavy lifter.
Geeta, did you do any project with the gym idea? Did you do anything with the
Yes,
gym?
I did make a few towels, and that was also very cute. And it was basically, people who go to gym very often, they need those towels. And when these kind of pictures or embroidery is there, it gives a personal touch. So it is very easy for people to give these kind of towels also as a gift.
Okay. I think I'm just going to talk about this in a second because I hope there is no technical glitch here, and I hope people are able to see us. Can I just stop sharing for a second and let us. Yeah. Okay. So all right. Because I don't know. All right. So I have some comments here which I'll just take before we move on. Okay. Um Let me see. Of course, it's my family is always here to help me, and we have Himani here saying beautiful. We have my sister. Wonderful concept. Have benefited tremendously by getting ideas from Sewer Gift. Then I have a friend, Vanita Santosh here, who is saying innovative, customized, unique, sustainable, feel good, super proud. Thank you for that, Vanita. Ah, my dad. I'm thrilled to be with that, Anita, in the program. Thank you, Pa.
Thank you,
You very
Uncle.
much.
Same.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
Then we have here, Vanita, would love to have a reading pillow, will buzz you. Thank you. I'm going to somewhere tell you what I'm going to be, how you can contact us, Vanita, and you could do that. And I can probably post it right here. You could go to this page here. I've just posted a link. So my sister has some more comments, but I'll come back to it in just a bit. Vanita or anybody else who wants to order, they can go ahead and send us a click there. Let us now talk about. Okay, I actually wanted to talk about martial arts because that is our next set of slide, and I'm just going to do that in a second. Thank you very much. Please, if you can see, are you able to see? Can you see the screen?
No,
No?
Shampi.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, give me a second. Why do we always have share screen? Yes. It's like it's supposed to be easy and then it disappears.
That's okay.
Window share. No.
The martial arts, I think we did for your friend Sujata and
Yes, that is right. That is
husband,
right. Yes. It's not coming up. Please just hold on, and please,
Sure.
audience, I would request you to bear with me. Are we on now?
No, Shampi.
Yes, now we are on.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah. So we did the gym. We made this grocery bag and it was taken by Uma. And we did this actually specifically. I want to talk about for a second is my husband's boss, his son was graduating from Ohio State University and he's a big gym person. And so that's why you have these tassels here as well as the gym equipment. So let us now. Okay. Anita, a minute. We've not yet finished with the gym. Can you talk about this for a second, please? This.
Yeah, Vishnupriya was wanted to gift something for her boss. Like she was in the IT sector, and her boss was again a very fitness person, and he loves to travel. So again, putting all of this together, IT definitely had to have a computer. So we had an aeroplane for the travel, and then where to fit in our sticky gym person. So then again, as usual, we came up with the idea. Okay, let it go into the screen and That's how we took him there. And in this small space, like, the mug rug is usually 11 by 13 inches. And the small space that we get to show the creative part, I think we like really fitted in like so well. And the comments say it all, I guess, from Vishnu Priya.
Yes,
Like, she was also
that's right.
super happy
Okay, I'm going to
with the
take
gift.
a minute to just remove Vanita's comment from here because I think that is showing up on the screen. So let me, and it's occupying more. Yeah. So we are back here to my screen of sharing and here. Yeah. Okay. So now we have. I wanted to talk
Martial
about the
arts.
martial arts. Yes, yes. So my friends, they were celebrating their 30th wedding anniversary, and you can see her husband is a sensei, and I wanted to put it as instead of martial art, I deliberately put it as marital art, and of course. And it was and she's an artist, so this was we have to do a separate theme, I think, one day on just reading pillows. The one which is on the right side was for Suchitra's nephew, as you already mentioned, Anita. So I'll just move on next to yay, football love.
Football.
Talk about it, Geeta. Do you want to say something about football? Did you do any football themes?
Yeah, again, I made a few football embroidery on the towel, and
Yes.
I think I made it on the bags as well for some.
Didn't you do something for Amrit, which was supposed to be reach the goal or something, a bedside organizer, which had the
yes,
theme?
yes, bedside organizer. Yes, yes, yes. I had made that long back. Yes, very
Correct.
true.
Yeah. And this here on the right side, the reading pillow, which says, "When I'm not playing football, I'm dreaming," was by Uma for their nephew. The two boys playing football was for a caretaker, which Vishnu Priya had commissioned us to because she used to take care of her young boys before she moved on to Australia. And Anita, the passport pouch is your forte. Talk about it.
Passport pouch we made for Deepa, for her son Vignesh, who's a goalkeeper. And we were looking for designs, we didn't find any. And Off late, we've started working with stitch artists and started making our own designs. So, in case we don't find anything like readily available as an embroidery design, so we take the picture and we work out the embroidery designs, we work out the stitches, and we say which stitch goes where, and that's how we started working with stitch artists and embrillions right now. So that was, I think, was a very easy stitch artist design that we made ourselves. So that
Correct,
was for
yeah.
Vignesh.
Right. And and Deepa, of course, loved it, and she had some words here which we can, which is not very clear here, but that's all right. And this fabric was football fabric. Again, Srivatsan, Usha, our friend of Sewer Gift, she wanted because he's a great soccer fan. She wanted a bag, and actually, this fabric we also used it to make a hand warmer for my nephew when he was going to Germany. Yeah, when he was going to Germany. Stopping the screen at this minute, and
basketball.
Sorry.
We did something on basketball also, right?
Yeah, we did something on basketball as well. Just I was actually waiting for our guest, and I thought that she's already here, but looks like she's not here. Let me just. Oops, Ananya, my paper is. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. And yes, Anita, go ahead.
My daughter used to play basketball, and one of her friends, Rida, who was a teammate, she was actually going to India for a basketball match. And I was thinking, like, what to gift her. Like, she's going, I just wanted to say best wishes. So then found this basketball designs. Her name was Rida Jalil. So RJ onto her luggage tag, which she could attach to her, luggage when she was traveling. So that was the idea behind making the basketball luggage tag. So yeah, designs, we kind of put it into luggage tags, into mug rugs, into organizers, to pillows. Isn't it, Geeta? So many places. I think almost everything that we've done has come into with a sports theme itself.
Yes,
Either with the
so
fabric or with the design, tried
true.
to
Yeah.
bring it
So
all
let
in.
me just take some more comments in, and I'm waiting. Okay. So this is Vasudevan here, uh, who is Geeta. This is your husband here, who has made a mug for me, engraving my team's name. Thank you so much, Vasudevan. Yes.
Stepping stone.
Oh, yes, thank you so much. And I will definitely will. It was not. We were not very happy that you were leaving us and going to
India.
going to India, but then it was an opportunity for us. Um, my sister says I'm waiting for my passport pouches. Thank you so much. And we have Priya here, another friend of Pure Gift, saying hi to us. Thank you, Priya,
Priya.
for being here. Thank you for encouraging us. And I'm actually waiting for our guest, and she's not here yet. So we'll just wait for a few seconds more. She was here, huh? So she's not. How's that?
Now she's joining us again in a bit. I think you should just
Yeah.
check the waiting room. She should be here any
No,
minute
she's
with
not
us.
here. I can't. She's not here because she was here a while back, but she's not here now.
Mm-hmm. She said she would join. I have a
Yeah,
message.
she's just coming in. She's just coming in. So, is there some noise from any of us? Yeah. Okay. So we are here, and hello, Prabha.
Hi, good evening.
Good
Sue
evening,
Gift.
Prabha.
Good.
How are you?
I'm good. Lovely to see you, Shambhavi, Geeta, and Anita.
Same
Thank
here,
you so
Prabha.
much. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes. Yeah, you are. You could be a little louder. Maybe
Okay.
pretend it's your class.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Prabha, I want to ask you a few things before we go further up. Tell me something. You've been a friend of Sewer Gift for a while now. How did you actually
Yes.
land upon us, and why did you decide to come on board with us? Tell me that.
Okay, I would say it's been let's say 2 years now. I came upon the post that you wonderful ladies, girls, should I say? I don't know.
We are
Had
always girls.
posted.
Yeah, always good.
Girls at heart, at least, always. And you had posted some very lovely pictures for a group of my ex-students who had gifted some, the rug mugs for their friend at a wedding. And that
Yeah.
post came on my FB and screen. And then I thought, okay, let me see what is this. And then I saw a familiar face,
Right.
a name, actually, Shambhavi.
Thank
And
you.
then it clicked. So then I think I called you and then got to know what this was all about. And it was around the time I think my husband was turning 50, and I was looking out for a gift which was not off the shelves, something which would be, he could relate to, which would be unique and handmade, and not something which would not have a price tag to it. Wanted it to be very personalized. So I had great fun putting up the whole idea because he's a cricketer and 50 years. So had some puns and had a lot of fun coming up with those puns. Shambhavi would
Right.
know what I'm
Right.
talking about.
Yeah, right. Yes. I think what you said just now is it's a lot of fun for us, trying to find out what goes behind just the gift. It's not just you picked it up. And I think when the people receive it, they also understand that you put a lot of
Absolutely.
thought into it. Yes.
Yes, yes. Right from what I loved about SAG was right, right from picking up the fabric, the design, the intricate details. Like I remember giving you a tough time by telling you girls that I wanted a left-hander as a
That's-
picture, and
Yes.
you had to literally rack your brains to come up with an image, which was so perfect in the end. And then the the taglines, lot of effort.
Thank you. Do
So
you have the product with you? Do you want to show it to
yeah,
us now? I have
yes,
pictures, but I would love to see it.
See, this is
Oh,
a very this. Can you see it? Yeah.
yes, we can. Just a little bit
Sundar.
more. Yes.
Sundar innings.
Yeah, Sundar innings. It was
And
a
you want to
lovely.
say Yeah, say why Sundar innings was important, Prabha. It's a good time to give a little cheer to Sundar.
Yes, I think he is with his friend in the living room. I'm nicely in my, bedroom, and I wanted the noise away from the house. In fact, I told my girls, please, I want this time for myself. Let me be me and talk. So yeah, Sundar innings, because that was one of his earliest articles that appeared in a newspaper, Indian Express in Kerala during his early 20s, much before we got married. So I wanted, that was the time when his career was taking off. So I wanted that to be incorporated. And then, of course, we had another reading pillow made, which was exactly about his hitting between the wickets, if I can have the pun, please.
And I really had a doubt, like, are we really putting that in the pillow? Like, are you sure about the wording?
My girls couldn't believe it. Mama, what did you do? I said, listen, it's for your dad who's turning 50, and it's okay. It's going to be in our bedroom, not anywhere else. It's not for public. Of course, now it is public.
No, it is, yeah, but it isn't. Actually, the picture, when I posted it on FB and on other social media, I hid that part, I just put only.
I remember my college mates, they immediately got onto the case. They said, okay, why is the pillow so conveniently placed? I said, it's anybody's guess. And
Yes.
I've got this. This was something, again, very, very beautifully done. Sundar innings. Okay, this is a
Luggage tag.
travel
Yeah,
tag,
it's a
luggage tag.
yes.
This was a special story again, because this year, before COVID happened, Sundar had the opportunity to represent Team India in the over 50s Cricket World Cup in South Africa. So, thank you. So again, once again, SAG to the rescue, because me being me, I didn't want to, give. And how can you make it memorable at the same time leave a mark? So SAG came to the rescue again. Lovely luggage tags made. And in fact, you should hear this story. This I've not shared with you. What I did was, in his brand new kit and his suitcase, which was all packed, I just snuck in the previous night, the day before he was about to fly, and I put the tag and everything, hoping that he would see you, especially the India flag and everything. Okay.
Right.
And trust me, how can one, they say, no, what is right in front of your eyes, you will not see.
Okay.
Sundar didn't see. He was in all excited, and the next morning he's leaving. And then finally around midnight, I lost my cool. I said, listen, did you take a good look? Have you packed? Did you put the number key and all that? And I actually made him go and check. And then he said, okay, now what is this? I said, for all the effort that 4 of us have been putting into it, how could you miss it? But he really enjoyed. And then he said, when he took the kit to South Africa, a lot of his teammates were very intrigued by this.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so good to hear, and which I hope brings us more friends of Suagift,
Yes.
because you actually did get us a lot of people who saw your reading pillows. They actually kind of for various things they approached us, and they have
yes. I
part of our-
especially loved I don't have it with me because it was gifts that we had made for my friends. 2 of my friends. One was is an artist who loves to paint, and the other was a landmark.
I have
birthday.
a picture. I have a picture
do you?
here in case. Yeah, I do. In case you just want to wait for a few seconds, I can share the screen here.
Sure.
And it takes a few seconds, and
being in the school, online school
Yes.
these days, I can understand.
The artist was Asha. That was the
Yes.
one, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So before you move on to Asha and the other person, I want to say that for us, the Sundar innings, and we worked on the Indian flag, by the way. Okay.
Yes.
And Anita, could you talk a little bit about the?
Yeah, it was like kind of we didn't know how to, like, I think we went back forth a lot with how to get the
Yes.
Indian flag right with the left hand batsman, and such a small space, because luggage tag, we just have that 3 by 4 inches to
Yes,
work
yes,
on.
yes,
So,
yes.
we actually made the Indian flag ourselves, like again with Stitch Artist. And then
Really.
to get the
You know,
correct blue color for the Indian theme, that was a challenge also, looking like, getting the fabric. But I guess at the
yes.
end of it, we were like so thrilled to make it for somebody going to
Yes.
represent India.
You know,
So
in
it was
fact,
like full josh.
let me share this with you. What I told Sundar, because the World Cup got postponed due to the COVID pandemic,
Mm.
and as hopefully they are thinking of rescheduling it somewhere later this year or early next year. So I told Sundar, by that time, I'm sure Team India should order tags for everybody.
Oh, lovely.
So if that comes through, I'm going to
Love
put through
to.
that order to you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so
It would
much.
be
Thank you.
wonderful.
Thank you so much.
And this is the picture of what is hidden on the reading pillow and what is
Yes.
visible on the, on the luggage tag.
I know, I know.
Okay.
It was
And
really a great experience.
great.
Thank you.
So on the designing part, the next which I'm sharing, yeah, this is still we are still on
Even the
to
tons of fun, you know. Again, I think
yes,
Shambhavi understands my passion for the English language,
yes,
being a language teacher myself. So there's always that part snuck into whatever we write.
right. And are you? I don't know if anybody can see on the screen that now there are only yes, now there is only. It takes a
Sundar
few
innings
seconds,
and
for the
tons of
Facebook
fun.
Live.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And so please just I would request even the audience to bear with me as well as my partners and Prabha. It takes a few seconds to come onto the screen for the live people. You can see it now,
Yes.
but I
Yes.
think for
Yes.
others it takes a few seconds. So yes, now
No
it's there. Can
issues.
you talk about it, Prabha? Tell us more about Asha.
Yes. Now, Asha, again, Asha's special landmark birthday, and I was wondering what can I give her to make her feel special, and something which would be of use to her. And Asha has, she's a blogger, she is a writer, she is an artist, multi-talented friend of mine. And then it hit me that she had this logo. Okay. And
Right.
that's where the idea suddenly came to me. Why don't I use that? And then I think I called up Anita, I think, and
Yeah.
Shambhavi, and you gave me the idea. Why don't you do this where you can have the whole, the paint,
Right.
yeah, what do you
Right.
call it?
The paintbrush holder. Yeah, the paintbrush
Yes.
holder. Correct. Yeah.
Yes, the paintbrush holder. So I remember specifically the choosing, you people helping me choose the denim fabric for it.
Right. Right. It looks very good, and it's a good material to have the brushes in. To hold the brushes.
True.
It's a nice, good,
Yes.
stiff material, and this
Yeah.
is one of our very popular products, of course. And the design was done, and Anita worked on doing it, and we used Embrilliance again. Let me get to the next. Yes, you'll see it in a few seconds. I mean, the audience will see it in a few seconds, Prabha, but you can
Yeah.
go ahead and talk about your friend for
Yeah.
whom we made.
This was for another very good friend of mine who around 3 years ago had relocated from UK to UAE, and it was again her very special landmark birthday. And once again, I wanted to gift her something which would be unique, which would have all the details about her life in London as well as UAE. So that's when we picked out again lot of what I love about Sue a gift is the kind of patience that you girls have always shown, giving the customer that much time to decide the to and fro messages. And then, at any point, I remember those footsteps because I wanted those leaving footprints. And
Right.
then the Burj, and
Yes.
then Wanderlust. And I had too many things I wanted because she's a dancer, a singer. So I wanted so many elements. And putting it all
Yes.
together. Yeah, and I remember that time I was, to be frank, I had given them given you girls a very tight budget too. So I said, no,
Right.
I want it within this. But in the end, it all turned out so beautifully. I just was lucky that I got two very, very lovely mugs to go with the exact design, the pattern. And my
Right.
friend was over the moon. She
Okay.
said,
Okay.
I don't feel like using it. I'm going to just display it on my kitchen counter. And believe me, I see it. Whenever I go there, I can see it there.
Right. So I'm okay. So Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Prabha. Yeah, we are back. Okay. So, Prabha, thank you so much, and for taking so much time, and for telling our audience about this. And actually, it's not just the live audience; it's also our repeat audience who will be watching this, our friends, family, and
Thank you.
when you say this to us that we have done and gone into details, it comes across that our passion is to towards the gift, that it should have value. That is what we
Yes.
try to do. And when you tell me
Yes.
this, it becomes very nice for us. I feel very good about it, and I think I
It
should
is.
give
It
a
is.
pat
Yeah.
to our-
All three of you deserve a big pat on your
yeah,
back.
please, yeah,
And
please, partners,
you.
please.
I will not think
Geeta?
twice before I spread the good word. Of course, people
Thank
coming
you.
home
Thank
see
you.
this, ask, and I'm looking forward to another opportunity. Maybe when I can, place my next order. Let's keep our
That would
fingers
be
crossed for that
wonderful.
Team India.
Yes.
Uh,
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Would love to do
And
Thank
that.
you.
yeah. And
Thank
Bye.
you
you so
take
much,
care,
Prabha.
and we'll say bye
Bye.
to you now. Thank you
Yeah.
so
Stay
much.
safe.
Bye.
Stay
Yeah.
happy.
Thank you. You
You
too.
too.
Say thank you
Yeah.
for spending so much time with us.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Yes.
That was
That
Yeah.
was
nice.
good. That was good. I'm so glad. Sometimes we take so much efforts, and there's so much time which goes, and some gifts just happen like that, and some take so much time. And we keep every time when you think, is it worth it? Are we doing the correct thing? Should we continue our work? I think it is, people like this who come back and tell us that we've put our 100% or more into it, which gives us that much more encouragement to go on, right? What do you say, Geeta? What do you
Yes,
say?
definitely. Yes, yes.
So
It's
Geeta, with Vasudev
really.
and your husband as a cricketer, doesn't he need so many luggage tags next he's traveling anywhere?
Oh, let the COVID get over. I'm just waiting
I
for it.
Anita, anything you want to say, please? I think you have next because I'm going to share the screen again.
Yeah,
Where
I think we're to
yeah.
yeah, we've done football, we've done gym, martial arts,
No,
athletics
I'm just
also,
coming to cricket. No, you still have your cricket story to share,
cricket
Anita.
story.
Yes, of
More,
course you
yes.
do. Talk
Oh,
about
yes,
this.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah. I did this for Sri Hari, my
Yes.
good friend Jayashrie's son. Like it was his birthday, October 30th. So I thought, why not? Because he's a part of the coaching team also. He had a coaching school, cricket coaching school. So I
Right.
thought best gift would be like to give him something associated with cricket. And then again, the denim fabric came in because that's kind of very neutral, not knowing like what colors he would like. So it was easy to, make two luggage tags for him with the cricket uh,
Uh,
pictures itself.
all right. And we are going to talk about athletics now, and it's
Athletics,
also
yes.
Anita. Would you like to talk about this, please? This pouch.
Uh, this we did it for Hriday. Uday Lakshmi's son. So Uday
Yes.
Lakshmi told us like she wanted to gift Hriday something like she wanted a headphone pouch. So you normally we make headphone pouch a pouch and then it's done. But she said she wanted some embroidery in it both sides. And then again, all elements that Hriday was into, which is like he was an athlete, he loves music, and he's into football. So again we went back to Embrilliance and Stitch Artist, and of all the designs that you see on screen, I think only the music, the notes, only that was a downloadable embroidery design. The rest we created. It is a design
Correct. Yeah.
from Sewer Gift itself.
So from Sugar. So over a period of time, we realized that we have slowly started collecting, having a collection of our own designs,
Our own
like the
designs.
athlete, the soccer player here, the headphone. These were designs which were created on Stitch Artist by Sewer Gift. So there is a lot of scope, and it takes time, but we love doing it. And the fact that when we have clear instructions from what the customer wants from us, it makes life that much easier for us. And
Yes.
we are happy to experiment. She wanted a black cloth, if you remember, Anita. She mentioned about a black
Yes.
cloth. There.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Let us
Even the 9 dots, it had a significance.
significance. It slips us now, but never mind. We'll go back to that. I'll move on now to tennis. So this was something which, like
Tennis.
I said, I just started enjoying making tennis I mean, making posters with canvas. So I just got onto lawns called Love All, tennis set, picks a gift, of course. I want to say, Anita, take a minute and talk about the mug rug, and then I'll talk about the reading pillow.
Sure. Mug rug was a gift for Anu Oja from my friend Renu. Anu is her sister. So Renu wanted few mug rugs made for her family. And Anu is a good baker and she used to play a lot of tennis too. So then again, we put in the embroidery designs. I think we said love all, just beat it and love all. So just beat it for the baking side and love all for the tennis with the tennis racket. So I think that came out beautifully, and that's a picture from the US once. She received it there.
Yeah.
She had sent it for us from the US.
So this is one of our biggest hassles, is that we don't take good pictures before we give it away, because it's always a deadline. I think. Yes, sometimes we do, like the reading pillow. Now, this was ordered to us by Barkha, and she wanted actually for her nephew, and she took this to India with her. And it said, serve it, smash it, win it, and love it. These were the words which were there on the wordings which she wanted. Now, for those who are wondering actually why this is in a red, orange, and green color, as you know, at Sewer Gift, we can't keep quiet. So I have to do a little bit of research. And we realized that the tennis ball is not always fluorescent and green in color. If you are just a beginner, a youngster, it is red, and then you have orange. And it's only when you become quite a bit of an expert that it becomes green in color. And love in yellow was just for the fun of it and for a lot of cheer. And she was very happy with the gift. Her nephew was very happy with the gift. I hope he becomes a champ someday and looks and able to look back and say, you know what, we made this. Anything to add, Geeta? I'll move on next to yes, Anita.
The cycle.
Talk about the cycle on the fabric on the left first. Then I'll talk about the one on the right. Yeah. The one which is Let's Go Dutch on the brains.
Yes, that was the child was going to Netherlands.
Right.
And
he was going to study some psychology or something.
Psychology. Yes. And so again, the idea I think was from you to have the brains there.
And you know what? I don't know if it is so noticeable, but the Let Us Go Dutch on the brains had the Vibgyor colors.
Mm-hmm.
So hoping that it had all colors into the child's life, and the fabric.
The fabric, because she was into cycling and
no, not only that. I mean, Dutch and Netherlands is all about cycling.
Cycling, yeah.
On the other picture is actually a cushion which I gifted to a friend's son who got married recently, and his wife and is into painting and photography, and he's into skiing and cycling. So we just put this paint the ski, click the ride in your joint venture, be side by side. We should discuss weddings as one of our themes and engagement gifts that we have done. So we will do it sometime. Now let us. Yes, you have some more to talk, Anita.
Oh, the cycling. Yes, again, as I said earlier, Renu wanted a gift for her family. So this was for Renu, who's into gardening, who is like, she loves sweets so much, and both husband and wife are into reading. Renu's husband Suresh is into cycling, and he's also a very good photographer. So we put all the husband-wife interest together onto a little bigger mug rug, and I think we've put it all and said mix match love, and I guess that like suited them perfect. And that's again a picture that she had sent us from the US.
Right. And talking about it, that we are still focused on the sports theme, though we are not able to keep it exclusive to that. But yes, the sport here which we are talking about is cycling, and this is actually made by Anita for my son, who is into motorbiking. And if people ask, is that a sport? Well, yes, it is. People take it very seriously. There are sporting teams. What was the Malayalam movie which we were watching, which we know about sporting and bikes? Can you ladies remember that? All-time favorite?
Bangalore it is.
Yeah. I was seeing it even just recently, last week sometime, and that movie was so much fun. And then you understand when you see it that how biking is taken very seriously, and this design was based on that. And so I would like to tell any of our audience who are interested in contacting us, they can contract us. Yes, that is not a spelling mistake. They can contract us. I have shared the website, the link to the site where they can give us information about what they want to order from us. They can look into it. And this is where it will bring them. This will be their landing page. And that kind of brings me to the fact that Father's Day is just around the corner. 21st of June is celebrated as Father's Day. I mean, every day is Father's Day, but then in case you want to do something special, you can always click. You can contact us through the Facebook page, or you can contact us through through our website. And I'm just going to stop sharing the screen so that I can give information on. Yeah, I'm just doing that, where I'm sharing the information. Yes. So I have, thank you, Priya, for showing up here. And Priya said the sheet made for my mom-in-law was very good. Yes, we made sheets. We'll talk about that one day, what are the things which we do for senior citizens. And my husband is here. Thank you so much. And there is information. Make a golf one. My dad has a comment here and says, make a golf one. Yes, I know it's
Okay.
a wrong
Sure, Uncle, soon.
I have the designs, and yes, we will do it. Thank you so much, Pa. Okay. Before we, I think we've been here much more than what we really expected to be here. And once again, if Prabha is watching this, thank you, Prabha, for being here, for Sita, and for my dad, for your everybody from the family who's been here and watched this, everybody who's going to come back and see this on FB at any point. Thank you so much for being friends of SuperGift. And you can contact us. You can click through this link, which I have shown here. I'll just share the link here one more time. If you click on this link, it will bring you to our landing page, which is, just share here for a second, where our landing page is, so people can see that. Yes, this is the page where you will come and you can contract us, your details. And then this page has this information also here. We are focusing on sports. And I would like to read here that show your love for your dad or your mom who's doing dad duty. So we have many of those, right? So who are doing that? Okay. It's time now. And thank you so much, Anita and Geeta.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
Want to say some last minute comments to the audience? Do you want to say something?
Thank you for watching us. All of you stay safe. You can still order gifts from us, and we are ready to do it like even during lockdown. And we'll make sure we reach it to you safely also.
Yes.
And Geeta, say something.
Same.
Yeah. All
we
right.
would like to make more gifts for you all. So you can contact us or you can call us. And we are always ready to make.
Yeah. So please, when you contact us, have two answers ready. One is what is your budget, and one is what is your deadline. But those two are the most important, because we've kept it as our USP that we work only within a budget. And if we cannot afford to do it within that, we tell people to find some other source, and maybe we'll come back to them another time. So thank you very much now. I'll say bye. I have Sarita here just taking a last comment. Sarita, thank you, Sarita, for being here and saying hello to us. All right. Bye, people. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Geeta.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.